Welcome to the Resto-rob channel. We're currently here in Flint, Michigan. So today we're going to just show you some of the stuff I found at the local pawn shop and thrift shops. So sit back, enjoy, and see what I got for you. I was at the thrift store. We found this Lufkin, made in the USA. $0.90. This is a Craftsman. $1.51. I'm not sure what this square is. I'm gonna have to clean it up in another video. I just needed a small square, and I saw this one, and this was $1.51. Then I found this Lufkin. I'll take some pictures and include. But this, made in Saginaw, Michigan, $1.51. Can't go wrong. When I got here, I had to turn in my budget moving truck. So me and Kevin took the budget truck over, and turns out it was at a pawn shop. They do pawn shop loans and rent budget trucks. So, being who I am, I walked in, found this cam lock. Camlock, Detroit, USA. 1/2 inch. This Williams. .7/8 by 3/4. It needs to be restored. I'll clean it up. I just really like the way the Williams looks like. And I'll have a video on this one, or more pictures on this. Here is another Williams, USA. Inch in 1/16. These three cost me $5. So far, I'm having a good time. Love my dad. Gonna take care of him. So look for more videos as I get my shop done, and still got one more trip back to Colorado to bring my truck and another load and our final load of some of my tools and some of my wife's things.